Scottoiler specific kit for the BMW F800 GS and F650 GS. Has everything you need to fit it to this model. And inside you have the heart of the unit, the RMV, along with the bracket that holds it to the bike, a special bracket. And inside you have delivery tubing, vacuum tubing, a breather assembly, some delivery tube conduit. This is used to glue to surfaces and glue the delivery tube to guide it from the reservoir down to the dispenser. Inside the kit bag you have the vacuum damper assembly, a longer screw, some glue, some sandpaper, and the dispenser plate itself, and also enough oil for around 2,000 to 3,000 miles, and refills are available from almost any motorcycle shop, or big clothing stores also stock them. And it comes in either blue or red. The red oil is for hotter countries or hotter weather. The blue oil is more for northern hemisphere and for all year round use. Also included are fitting instructions and a warranty card which you can send back. The fitting instructions are plain, simple, easy to understand, and show step-by-step guide from fitting the vacuum damper right to priming it and setting the oil flow rate.